Mosaic colorwork is a technique that combines slip stitches and color changes to create beautiful geometric patterns. When changing colors, you want to be sure to carry the yarn you are dropping to the left, and while crossing the new yarn over it, maintain proper tension as you carry it to the new row. To do this, I like to hold the new yarn against the fabric with my forefinger. Applying light pressure keeps me from pulling the yarn too tight as I work the pattern across the first couple of stitches. Carrying the yarn you have dropped to the left and securing it with the new yarn, also referred to in many tutorials as crossing your yarn, ensures you will avoid a gap between stitches at the color switch. Mosaic designs are created using a combination of slip stitches and yarn changes. You'll knit across each new row in one color. When you change colors, you'll knit in a second color while slipping stitches from the first color. Those slip stitches pull the first color into the row with the second color to create the design. In some designs, stitches may be stretched across multiple rows, so tension is just as important in mosaic color work as it is in any other color work technique. In my opinion, mosaic is the perfect technique to begin colorwork knitting, especially if you've been intimidated by it in the past. The big footing around sock pattern switches color every 3 rows. To identify a mistake, count the stitches in each column. The pattern should read 3 stitches of one color, 2 stitches of the same color, repeating across the stripe. If you look down a column and see 3 stitches where there should only be 2, you know a stitch that should have been slipped was accidentally knit. To fix this, ladder down to the stitch that was worked incorrectly and then work your way back up following the slip stitch knit pattern for that column. This means you will skip picking up the first horizontal bar in the new color to mimic that missed slip stitch, and then pick up the next 2 bars in order. When you reach the color shift, simply skip or pick up the bars at the right interval to match the pattern, and you're good to go.